Need to register your screenplay to have a copyright. Micah Haley, film producer, screenwriter, and somebody who does this for a living. The answer from every entertainment law attorney I've ever talked to is no. You don't need to register it to have a copyright. The copyright exists the minute that your work is in a fixed format. For screenplays, that means the second you hit save on your computer in Final Draft or whatever you're working in, then the copyright exists. This is from copyright.gov, which is the U.S. federal government. It says copyright protection subsists in accordance with this title in original works of authorship fixed in any tangible medium of expression. That means if you're writing something original, as soon as you are done, as soon as it is in a fixed format, okay, and it can be any medium. It can be written on a legal pad. It can be typed in Final Draft. Any of that stuff. Then as soon as it's done and it's in a fixed format, you have copyright protection. The copyright exists. Now, can you register it with the Copyright Office as an additional step to prove that you have the copyright? Yes, you can, but there are always going to be pieces of evidence that predate your registration, okay? Just saving the file on your computer is enough. There's enough metadata in there that if you submit that to the courts, it's going to prove that you had the copyright on a certain date. But you can also email it to other people, email it to yourself, print it as a PDF. I mean, just people think that working on a computer is just, playing around in a bunch of Play-Doh and none of it's admissible in court. But the reality is almost everything you do on a computer is admissible in court. I can't tell you how many emails I have shared with an attorney over the years to prove that something happened or something was said. Now, does registering it with the Copyright Office do anything? Yes, it does. In the event that you do end up in a lawsuit, which is very rare, you do have the right to go after, fees, like attorney's fees and stuff. But I don't think that it's worth paying the registration fees and stuff up front when you are just starting out as a writer. If people are going to try to steal your stuff, they're going to steal it. There's nothing you can do, and you're going to end up in a lawsuit. It doesn't matter if you register or not. So just don't be afraid. You want to share your work with other people so that you can get your movie made. Don't worry about it. Just write great stuff and then get it in the hands of whoever will read it.